Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most interesting, yet often overlooked, cryptocurrencies in the market, Stellar Lumens, or XLM. If you've ever sent money overseas, you know how slow and expensive traditional banks can be. Well, Stellar was built to change that. Let's take a deep dive into what makes XLM special, from its history and price journey, to real-world uses, and even where it might be headed in the future. Stellar was launched back in 2014, co-founded by McCaleb, who also helped start Ripple. From the beginning, Stellar had a clear mission: to make moving money across borders fast, cheap, and accessible for everyone. Well, since there wasn't a formal sale, XLM didn't have a set price at first. But by 2017, it was trading around $0.002. Then came the 2017 to 2018 crypto boom, and boy, did things get exciting. In January 2018, XLM hit an all-time high of nearly 90 cents. A massive jump from just a fraction of a cent. Fast forward to today, the year 2025, XLM is trading around 12 cents, showing steady growth and resilience over the years. Stellar is built for cross-border payments. Think of it like a global PayPal on the blockchain. Banks, fintechs, and payment providers use Stellar to move money internationally, instantly, and at near zero cost. Some real-world examples include companies like Tempo and SureRemit, which use XLM to help people send remittances to friends and family abroad. Stellar has also partnered with big names like IBM, powering their cross-border payment system called Blockchain Worldwire. By 2025, if adoption continues to rise and Stellar expands into new markets, experts predict XLM could reach anywhere between 20 cents and 30 cents, and in a bullish scenario, maybe even 50 cents. Looking further ahead, by 2030, some forecasts suggest XLM could climb to $1 or even $2, especially if global demand for fast, low-cost payments keeps rising and Stellar becomes a go-to platform for decentralized finance. Of course, like any crypto investment, there are risks. The market is volatile, and nothing is guaranteed. But based on Stellar's solid fundamentals and growing ecosystem, it's definitely one to watch. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, smash like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto updates. Comment below, do you think XLM will break out? Let's talk.